Hey guys, Winston here. Today is December 5th and it is now 10:51. And today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the unboxing of the Comica VM30, which is the new mic I bought. So I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing and we're gonna test it out. So the voice that you're hearing right now, it's going through the Hollyland Lark M1. So let's do a testing and let's do a very quick unboxing. So this one features a 20-bit recording. It's got 2 low cut filter, high frequency boost, gain control, and real-time monitor. It's wireless, so you can basically use this transmitter and then bring it anywhere within 100 meters. So it takes USB-C, Type-C charging, and when it's fully charged and plugged in directly to the camera, it can record up to 50 hours. And if you're using the wireless mode, it can record up to 8 hours. It comes with a really nice case. Oh, nice. So it's got the windscreen, the regular windscreen, and then this is a dead cat, USB-C cable, and then 2 types of cable, the TRS, and then one is for the cell phones. And it's got really nice shock mount, and it even labels the front and the rear, so you don't have to guess which way. That's really nice. Oh, it even comes with the microphone attachment for the stand. And right here it is. Oh, okay. Oh, that's nice. It's metal construction, and then you got this dial where you can turn up the decibels, and then wireless mode, and then you can monitor. You can plug in your headphones and monitor your own voice, own recording. It's pretty cool. And then this is the receiver. So you can plug it in the headphone here to monitor, and then this out it's to your camera. So this wireless receiver, you can pretty much go anywhere with this. So 100 meters away, the maximum distance. Okay, so that's that. So what I want to try right now is just to test out the audio quality directly to the camera. The sound that you're hearing right now, it's from Hollyland Lark M1, and I've also plugged in my here. Let me show you. I've also plugged in my Audio Technica AT-A75R right now. So I plug it into my Zoom H4 recorder. So the audio right now from the shotgun mic is recording to this, but I'm gonna do it in post so you guys can hear the difference. So 1 2 3 testing, 1 2 3 mic check, 1 2. This is Winston from Speedy Pack and Go, and the voice that you're hearing right now, it's from Hollyland Lark M1. 1 2 3 testing mic check, 1 2 1 2 testing mic check. This is Winston from Speedy Pack and Go. This is from Audio Technica forgot about it. Oh, AT-A75R. AT-A75R. Okay, and now I'm gonna do a quick swap, and then I'm gonna do a test sound from the Comica VM30. Mic check 1 2 testing. Mic check 1 2. This is the sound from Comica VM30. 1 2 3 mic check. This is Winston from Speedy Pack and Go. How do I sound? And then right here, hi, mic check. This is mic check from Speedy Pack and Go. The sound is coming out from Audio Technica AT-A75. Yeah, I keep forgetting the number. A75R. Yeah. A75R testing mic check 1 2. This is Winston from Speedy Pack and Go. Okay, and here is Comica testing mic check 1 2. Testing mic check 1 2. Test 1 2 3. Just to give you an idea, right now I unplugged it, so this is the sound directly from the camera. So audio picked up, the audio is picked up directly from the camera's microphone. So how do I sound right now comparing to these two professional mics? Okay, now I'm gonna plug it back in. Okay, mic check. Hollyland Lark M1. Audio Technica AT-A75R. How do I sound? Testing, mic check. How do I sound right here? This is Hollyland Lark M1. I want to say thank you, Napoleon, to support me for the coffee. So I really appreciate it. You didn't have to do that, but you still did. So thank you again. And you know what? When I roast, I think next week I'm gonna roast another batch. I'll send you a bag, because you are, Napoleon. Because everybody in this community should know Napoleon from Fishbox. He's many people's inspiration. So I just want to say that you're one of the people that inspired me to start this whole journey. And then I know it's gonna be rough, and there's a lot of mixed feelings today. Okay, because lately there's a lot of stress. I just want to say the store is not doing great, but it's picking up, but not fast enough. Just want to express that, and then I want to say thank you again, Napoleon, for supporting me with that coffee. So yeah, that's that, and I'll keep you. Yeah, I'll keep. We'll see how it goes today. I hope this December will be a different December than my last year and the year before. So we'll see. Hey guys, Winston here. Today is December the 6th. It's now 12:56. So I have customer drop off a lot of package today. This company that makes shirts, but they only make large quantities. I asked them before. Their minimum is like 36 or 40 piece shirts, but they make very good quality shirts. So they drop off like I'll say every other days. And today there's like 18 of boxes, and then another customer drop off small, some small stuff and one return. But let me show you the boxes. It's huge, and then it takes up a lot of my space. So here it is. So that's all their drop-offs. So yesterday I was testing my microphone. So right now the voice that you're hearing, it's from Comica VM30. So I hope the sound it's good or great. I'm not sure, but you know what? My the Audio Technica one, A75R, it sounds a lot better. The voice is deeper, and then there's no noise, so it cancels out all the noise. So it's a with the shotgun mic, it's directional. So whichever direction that you're pointing, it'll capture the sound just from that angle. Yeah. So same as this one, but it will pick up a little bit noise of the ambient noise, but it should be okay. I'm about like 2 feet away. So yeah, and I didn't make an ending yesterday, so I will join 2 videos together. Yeah, so I'm gonna make yesterday's video and today's video into one. Yeah, I don't plan my videos like it will just jump from this topic to another topic. So yesterday it was just doing a unboxing, and then the voice recording, and then test out the mic. And today just my dailies in my pack and ship store. And I also want to mention that I'm gonna roast coffee maybe this week or next week. I have a large order coming in from my sister-in-law's ex-boss. So during the COVID, they order a lot of coffees from me. Every time they order is like 24 bags, and then they probably got used to the flavor of my coffee flavor, and then every now and then they'll say they want to order coffee through her, and then she'll let me know, and then I'll have to buy green beans and I'll roast it during the weekends. So yeah, She just told me that they wanted another 24 bags. I just placed the order of 50 pounds of green beans today. It should get here maybe on Monday, and then if I have time, I can roast during the weekdays or weekends. Anyways. These got rejected.
Huh?
I said these got rejected because the truck, that FedEx doesn't have room.
Oh.
You don't have room for it. Hey guys, Winston here. Today is December 7th. It is now 12:25, Saturday. So this morning I did two live scan. There was only two live scan this morning. The sound that you're hearing right now is from Rode mic. This model is the Video Go, which is the first generation. And I got this mic, I'll say maybe like 4 or 5 years ago, and I bought a used camera out of someone. It was in a package, but I rarely use this one. And I did found out about this problem with this mic. It will interfere with routers. Like if you have a 2.4 gigahertz frequency nearby. You'll get some static sounds, because I've tested it, and then when I get close to the router or any radio frequency, you'll hear the humming and then static sounds, which is pretty bad. And they came out because it only has a plastic housing on the back, and I look up on the internet, and there's a fix for it, but it will help a little bit. So I did bought the what is it called? The copper tape. So what I did was I used a copper tape, and they just coiled it and tape it around it, so to reduce the interference. Yeah. So I don't know how it sounds, but when there's no interference, this mic works pretty well. So, anyways, today Saturday, nothing much going on. Yeah, I just did two live scan today, but I want to update about something that I found on one of the YouTube video that I followed. One of the guy I followed. So, because I haven't done any EDDM direct mail. When my store first opened, I remember there was a guy approaching me. So let's say this is the postcard, right? And then when he approached me to me at my store, he said he's a new business. He has an online shop that he sells Pokemon cards or something, and then he's looking for local business to chip in. Oh, it's not my customer. Okay, so he's looking for a local business to chip in because the cost of every direct mail is pretty pricey, right? So that guy approached to me and said, "Oh, we can all divide the postcard into sections, or let's say, because I made a here, so I made a list like this. So let's say this is every direct mail's a postcard, right? And then he will divide, let's say 5 spaces, and then he will go around the local business area, and then ask them if they want to chip in, because if you send out a 4x6 or 5x7 postcard, direct mail postcard through the post office, and then plus, let's say you want to do 5,000 of residents and business together, right? The cost of print, and then the cost of the postage, I looked it up. It's gonna be somewhere around $1,800 to $2,000 just for 5,000 residents. So he will go around and then approach to like the local business, see if they're interested, and divide it by, let's say, 6 spaces or 8 spaces. And then it'll go something like this. There's front and back. And then he'll say, okay, this space is like $400, and this space is like $400. If you want a bigger one, it'll be 600, and if you want the full page, it'll be 1,000. And then he will show that the ads that he did already, and show me on the video on his tablet. And that got me thinking, I can try and do that as well, because he's making money. Because when I look it up, this one video online that teach you how to do it, it's basically you doing all the work. You using Canva to design it, and then ask for the artwork, and if they don't have artwork, you do the artwork, right? So let's say 400 for this space. You say, okay, do you have an artwork or a business card that I can just slap it on the Canva? If they don't have it, okay, I'll design it for $30 more, something like that, right? And then when you accumulate everything together, your total amount that you receive, it's exceed more than the cost of your printing and the postage. So whatever that's remaining is your profit. So I think this is a pretty good strategy, and I think if you have a store, if you have a pack and ship store, and I think I'm gonna start doing it, because I'm gonna give it a shot to do it, and I'm not gonna do too much at first. I will ask around, and then you can basically use Google Map and then search it up your local area business, or search new business that just recently opened, and they are looking for ads. They are looking for send out postcards, and sometimes their funds are limited, and you can explain it to them that, hey, your cost is only $400, and then you can send out to 5,000 residents. If you do it by yourself, it's gonna cost you $1,800, $2,000. So we can all split this together, but they will think that you will do all the work, and then it's like helping them and also helping you too, because I want to put my business on there too. But you can search for people who wants to chip in but don't have enough of funds to do a full-size postcard. Yeah. So anyways, that's just something that I saw on the video, one of the video on YouTube, and it got me thinking. It got me thinking that I think I'm gonna approach that next, and I will try it. If everything works out, and then I do find local business who want to chip in with me, and I can try and make a first run and then see how it goes. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. Okay, so that's just an update that I found that's interesting, and it could help your business and also help others too, and you can also make a little bit of money out of it. Yeah. Okay. So that's that, and yeah, I'm gonna make this video short because yesterday's video and the day before, I want to combine everything together. This is just gonna be one video for all 3 days together. Yeah, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So, all right. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Thank you for supporting me, whoever that support me on Buy Me a Coffee. And then if you guys are interested on all the mics that I've tested, I'll drop the links down below as well. So thank you. Hit the like, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.